8:35, and your girl is done with her nails. Tomorrow's plan, okay, editing, and also I'll say, oh, I have to go out after that at 5. I'm going out with a friend, but we're not going out, we're going out to like get a few things and, you know, shop and stuff, girl stuff, you know. And ooh, I got some shoes, but I don't think I like them. I might return them or keep them. I'll see, because tomorrow I'm going shopping again, so if I feel like I found something that is like cuter and I like it a little bit more, I'll just get that one instead of the one that I got today. And yeah, I think that's it for tonight. My lips are ashy. Anyways,
brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cuffs her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me praise. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up.
Hey y'all. It's 12:33 and I just got ready. Well, I took a shower and then I did my skincare and my hair. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the road. I really live in the city. Oh, we got some packages to open. I have 1, 2 of them, and yeah, let's open it up. Some perfumes that I ordered I think 1 week ago or 2. So I'm gonna record where I do like a little unboxing thingy, because I need some for my TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, I'll just place you guys somewhere while you watch from behind, and I'll talk to you while I do it, because yeah. So y'all gonna sit there. I'll be talking to you while I do the unboxing and recording for Instagram or TikTok. Follow me there because we're having fun. I don't know.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey.
Truck to the plane, to the
No.
truck.
Yo, this smells so good. Here. And it's so cute. I haven't smelled this before, but it reminds me a little bit of what is it called? Is it Bare Vanilla? I think from Bath and Body Works. I'll put it here. It reminds me of that, but with some caramel. No, this is delicious. Damn. Okay. Nah, TikTok did not lie now. Oh, that was good. That was so good.
Even know she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
This one Mwah, 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 mwah. I love it. This one though, she comes like this. This one, like, I like it, but it reminds me, like, these are some grandma scents. Like, it could be okay, but it, like, I don't know, like, grandmas love to wear these. What are the notes? I'll tell you guys what it's. Well, I feel like it just smells like some grandma stuff. Like, there's like some coconut. I thought it was gonna be more coconut than this. This is giving grandma. I'm sorry. Let me not lie. This is definitely smelling like some grandmother's. I'll wear it. On to the next one. See now, Latafa be giving you boxes that you're just like, what? Alright. Y'all, I have to focus. Hold on, I'm coming. Y'all, Latafa! What? I'm actually in shock right now. Oh no, this is crazy. This is actually crazy. If you're a girl, run. Run. Bro. How like Latafa, some of their scents are like kind of like too woody-ish and I don't like it. But let me tell you, this, you can't even smell no musk, you can't even smell. I'll pop the notes here. Yo, this smells like a perfume that I know, I just don't remember the name. Is it Juliet something? Let me see. No, it's Love Killian. It's literally Love Killian. No, this smells exactly like Love Killian. I'll pop a picture. And literally, you're gonna smell good on a budget. Because this perfume was $60. No, not even. It was 50 something. And I had to pay like $9 shipping and stuff. So it was kind of like pricey. Just for the shipping. But this... Run, literally. What are you waiting for? Run. Trust me, like I have a whole collection of perfume. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Oh my god. No, this is yeah. Anyways.
Yeah. They throwing dirt on my whole name. Only gets worse if you know that. You don't see the perks in this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride to fill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back.
15 minutes de pub.
Ouais, t'es mal le style avant-gardiste.
C'est toujours comme ça.
T'es mal l'expérimentation. Ok.
Non, ça marche. T'as oublié, ça remarche.
Combien? Non, mais c'est bien.
Que je vais au cinéma. C'est grand.
C'est pas le
Ouais, il faut vraiment un chiffre, c'est fini.
autre chose.
Mais déjà,
I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight it. I figure out you, you figure out me. Just wanna melt into